Hi there, my name is Bridget Mackay. I'm an attorney. I practice in Petaluma, California, and I practice in the area of estate planning and probate. Today I want to talk to you about if you have a living trust, now what goes into it. This process we call in the industry here is funding. So you've gone through the process of putting your trust together. You know where your assets go when you die or when you become incapacitated, but what assets go inside of the trust? I'm going to name a few. The first is any real property you have. That means land or houses. The second is stocks and bonds. Those are brokerage accounts, including brokerage accounts that have mutual funds. The third is any business interests. These are generally handled as maybe a transfer of stock if it's a S Corp you have an interest in, or an assignment if you are a sole proprietor, or maybe even a retitling of a membership if you're in an LLC. And then finally, any bank accounts or cash should go into your trust. What doesn't go into your trust, which is often a discussion I have with my clients, because there is the assumption that all of your assets go into the trust. That's why you made it. In truth, there are assets that stay out of the trust and pass at your death because you've named a beneficiary. Those assets are retirement accounts, which you have named a beneficiary on. As there are some circumstances that retirement accounts may have the trust named as a beneficiary, but that's very limited and you should consult a professional before you do something like that. The second is life insurance policies. Those have beneficiaries so that at your death they automatically go to the person you've named. And the third thing I don't recommend putting in the trust unless you have a very expensive Lamborghini or a car that's an antique and worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, are vehicles. Vehicles can be titled as or in registration here in California, and at your passing they're fairly easily transferred to your estate without having to go through a probate. So those are some ideas about how to fund your trust. Again, you should always consult your local estate planning professional to help you with this.